Hey everybody.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1 8 count. You're rocking it still and again. We worked on some subtlety today. So connects the 8 points. We talked about the get ready and then the go. You guys are doing a little bit like go! Go! We talk about get ready, go. Get ready, go. And y'all did a nice job with that. Leader specifically, I want you to think you're going back a little bit on 7 8, but under the diagonal. So you're here. 7 8, go. Same thing after your 4. You're going this way, but you're a little diagonal. And save a little bit of turn to the left. So that when you're here, you've got a little feeling and then move. Feeling and then move. We're trying to connect lower and not tip all the time.
Followers, we help make that feeling happen by going one direction, not hooking around and trying to run around our partner. So remember, even when I turn to face my partner, I'm still going one way at a time. You're going to pass your partner at the beginning of the swing out, and then you keep going this way. Don't get too eager to come back in.
Specific practice was we swing out. And sometimes